second stone fruit video because they keep showing up on the shelves. I wanted to do more comparisons. So firstly, we have cherries this time around. Not sure what type of cherry. Red.
California cherry.
California cherry.
Wow.
And then we have apricots. Sorry.
Yeah.
Apricots.
Idiot. Yellow
Well,
peaches.
On my previous video, I mixed up nectarines and apricots, even though we hadn't even had apricots. So we have white peaches this time around. And I wanted to give the yellow peach another shot because I felt like it didn't taste that great in the last video. So I wanted to give it another shot because I think maybe we let that one sit for too long. And then we had the white peach, and we also have a white nectarine. So
Which would you like to start with?
let's start with the cherries. Sushi, sweet.
That's cherry.
Cherry. Got little pits, little tiny baby pits.
Maraschino cherries taste nothing like regular cherries. So if you freaking hate maraschino cherries like I do, you will like these ones. Maraschino cherries are disgusting.
Huh.
Petrified cherries. Ah. They're significantly better.
This one's a bit bigger. Pretty good.
Sweet. Just like a cherry should be. Not petrified.
Yeah. Doesn't have like an
Isn't sticky.
obscene flavor punch like you might get in processed cherry stuff.
Maraschino cherries.
Alright, let's keep going. Let's go for the nectarine. See? Don't at me. Apricot.
Getting better.
Yeah. That's really good. It's very soft. The pit. Here's what the pit looks like.
I think that one's more bland than that what apricots are supposed to be like.
Yeah, maybe we've again let it sit for too long because these are a bit softer.
Those are normally like sweeter.
Yeah.
This is bland. That makes me sad. Because they're not really good.
Maybe the flavor's been lost. So let's give the yellow peach a second shot.
I know you're supposed to have the best for last, but
Okay, that's actually much better than last time.
it does have more flavor than the last one.
Yeah. That's great.
Differences of opinion, but
like, oh, I'm sorry you're wrong, but
I feel like compared to last time,
yeah,
this one is more flavorful and has more juice, which is prime for fruit. Unfortunately, it's not my cup of tea. But
I quite enjoy that.
I will still eat it.
Am I all juicy?
Yeah, you didn't see it, like, or feel it drip down your face.
No, I was just enjoying the experience.
Okay.
Moving on.
Moving on because you're gross.
So we have a white peach, and just from smelling it, it does smell a bit lighter in taste. It smells lighter in taste. I'm not good at communicating today.
You're doing great. You're doing great.
Smells lighter, like a lighter floral aroma. You get the idea.
Yes.
So that lighter aroma seems to be translating to a much lighter taste, which makes sense.
She's delicate.
Yeah. So I think I prefer the yellow peach, for sure.
You do like things that punch flavor.
It's a much lighter taste. Like, it definitely tastes like peach. But it's just like a hint. But again, the thing that seems to be linking all these is that they have a floral taste and aroma.
The floral base.
So last we have the white apricot.
Nectarine.
Last we have... Cut that out! Future self, cut that out!
Bro, it's labeled right here.
We have the white nectarine last.
I'm not.
So, after comparing the yellow and white peach, I'm wondering if the white nectarine is also going to have a lighter taste compared to the yellow nectarine that we had before.
Don't ask why I peeled the skin off of this. It started off with the sticker peeling off, and then I just kept seeing the skin flap, and so I have to peel it. It's not necessary, I just had to.
Well, now it just looks like a
Naked.
potato.
Really slimy potato.
Yeah.
One that isn't oxidizing. I'm just having a ball here. Yes. Thank you. I need somebody to appreciate my crappy sense of humor. Let me just... Juicy.
Well done.
Thank you. What half do you want? Okay, you can have the other half.
Alright. Oh. That's very flavorful. It is light though.
I do like this.
You actually like it?
Yeah. I think it's because I'm so used to like the regular yellow nectarines, where it just reminds me of peaches. But this one tastes like the juice that I like.
So it's a light yet flavorful taste. If that makes sense.
Yeah. Because it can have a lot of flavor. It can just be lighter. Like.
Let's have the other one. That was
light
great.
Pink compared to pastel pink.
Let's have it with the skin this time.
Okay. You don't want me to peel the skin off?
Now you know you find white nectarines palatable.
Yes. I'll still take the baby. I might like them, but like, still not gonna go out of my way to eat them.
Okay.
But if it is presented to me, I will not be opposed.
Very, very juicy. Goodness. I'm a little disappointed that the apricot was not in its prime, so we might have to try them again.
Yeah.
I'm confident that we just let that one sit for too long.
Oh yeah, we definitely did.
But these other ones turned out very good.
Especially this last one and the first one. I like cherries, and apparently I like white nectarines. Oh gosh, my nose is itchy.
So, myself, don't worry. So now that we've had these stone fruits and we had like the plums from the other video, favorites.
I mean, from what we had of the plums and stuff, the red one was better than the black plum, but I usually like black plums more. But at the time, it just wasn't the star of the show.
Yeah.
Probably the red plum, the black plum, cherry. There was maybe yellow plum,
Yeah. We had 3 different types of plums.
and the yellow plum, and the white nectarine,
And the white nectarine.
and then the yellow peach, and then the white peach.
Once we've properly appraised an apricot,
Yeah, then I
we
can put that on the
fit it
list.
into the lineup.
Yeah. Because I mean, like, can't really give it a place if it wasn't in its prime.
No, like I could tell what he was trying to do, but it wasn't. It was just watery. The flavor had kind of been lost, unfortunately.
If it wasn't its prime, it would have been easily third place for me. Because I do like apricots.
Make sure you eat your stone fruits and don't let them sit.
Or else they'll get gross. Like most fruits, but this one looks
Yeah,
like
we had some other white peaches that just burst into mold because we let them sit.
It was potent.
Yeah, I'm like, what's that smell? I'm like, oh yes, that's what the smell is. Anyway.
What's in the bag?
It's mold!